Google Assistant. Search for places to eat nearby and directions. It's easy to perform a search with Google Assistant, and there are 2 ways to activate this feature on the Alcatel GO FLIP 3. The quickest and easiest way to activate Google Assistant is by simply pressing and holding the OK button on the keypad as shown here. The second way to activate Google Assistant is from the app shortcut menu found on the left side of the home screen. This can be accessed by pressing the left side of the navigation button once, and then pressing the top of the navigation button to scroll up to Assistant. Then you would just press the OK button to open this feature. Then you will see Google Assistant listening for your first command. Let's try, what are some places to eat nearby? And what's the weather like today? You can ask these same questions for any location you aren't physically located in as well. Listen as Google Assistant will list off some options and provide additional information on screen.
Right now in Santa Monica, it's 72 and sunny.
Let's try another command. Press and hold the OK button again and say directions to a music store near me. You'll see Google Assistant give you some options to pick from first so it knows which store is of most interest to you. Use the navigation wheel and cursor to select the one of your choosing. Then, once you confirm that, you'll be directed to step-by-step directions to get there. Pretty convenient, huh?